What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. My name is Nelson. This is my cat. Yeah. Ventura, say hi. And if you have a 2007 to 2012 Chevy Silverado, this video is for you. Today we're going to be replacing these headlights. These are actually really nice, but this is kind of a badass truck, so we need some badass headlights for it. And today's video is actually sponsored by Nilight. They sent me these really cool, awesome headlights with my truck on them. Except for mine's a single cab, of course. Let's start off with unboxing them. They are packaged really nice and tight. This was on there, fits perfectly, and you can actually remove it and put it back. You know, whenever you open a box and you can never put the product back into it, that's just terrible. So this has got some quality to it. It does not come with the light bulbs, which I'm pretty bummed out about, but they do look quality OEM. These are the tools we're gonna need. So I'm gonna need two different sizes screwdrivers, just because I like to have a big and a small. 10 millimeter, 3/8, 10 millimeter, and a 1/4 inch. Two different pry tools, just to make things a little faster. A drill with a 10 millimeter and a magnet, just in case. I love this Chevy, I do. But the older Chevys are just badass. The ones that have the two, whether it's the bubble style or the other style. It has one bolt. I'm not sure if I can show you. That goes in through here, so you got to put your screw or your 10 millimeter through here and go like that. I used my 1/4 inch and it fell. And way down in here, it has this weird bracket. I mean, it's just so dumb and dumbly designed. Anyway, I took this bottom bolt out. Next is to remove these two. This one and this one. Once we have all our bolts off from that one side, I am going to be working on taking off these clips to remove this part here. We have to remove this center grill, so we have a couple 10 millimeters, and then it also should have some clips, kind of like the older Chevys, along the sides, and we'll remove those. So now that we have these 10 millimeters removed, we have some brackets down there. What I like to get is an even bigger screwdriver. And it just kind of helps. You don't need it, but I like to get in between here. I don't know if you guys can see it. And then you're just gonna kind of twist and pop it off.
There's one. Looks like there's 4 of them. That one's a little tough. I'll come back to it, or I can hit it from a different angle. Okay. And here's the last one. There we go. So this one's completely off. But I believe this one looks like it's... Okay, now that one's completely off. Oh, there's a top one. So... Okay, so that's the 5th one, and then here's number 6. Let's put it in there, and then twist it. Okay, so that one's off, and this one is off. I need this center. Okay, there we go. So that should be all the clips for my screwdriver there. Let's see what it takes to go off. I looks like it has some hooks here too. That's pretty nice. And here are those clips. 1, 2, 3. Oh, might be broken. 4, 5, and 6. 6 clips, 4 bolts. Set this aside.
We got it off. I just had to turn the camera off for a minute. It's just sometimes not the easiest when you got the camera on your head. So what I did is I removed this bracket right here. It's same thing on the other side. So I removed this bracket, and it has 1, 2, and 3 10 millimeter bolts. Loosen these 3 bolts up. This bracket comes off, and then you have more space to wiggle your headlight out. And that's basically all I've done since last time. I also did find these really cool gloves inside the box, so thank you, Nilight, for providing these. That way I don't get my hands all dirty, all scratched up and stuff like that. Next, I think we're just gonna switch over everything. So that is on. I'm not gonna take this blue off completely yet. I'll just kind of peel it back just a tiny little bit. Okay. So far, everything is just clipped on perfectly. Okay, I like that clip. Beautiful. And that's it. Everything else is connected. Electrical wise, we are done there. Let's see if we can just install these. Everything starts with one, so we'll just get one of these. And actually this tail light goes into this bottom bracket here that you see. The tail light actually slides into there. And I think I need more light to show you guys, but got to work with what we got today. This bolt here. One more look of this one right here. It looks good, I like it. Let's tear this guy off. Woo! So you can see how it's just clear right there. It's got black on the inside and just super clear on the outside. This is my second Nilight product and I'm really happy with it. Actually, it just makes the truck look even more aggressive. Oh yeah. All right, so you can just see these are just going to be a lot more clear. These ones still look nice, but you probably got to buff them out every year for them to look this nice. These ones you just slap on and they're good to go. So yeah, whatever you guys like more, the black one or the clear one. Like I said, this is the second Nilight product that I get and I'm really liking it. Let me know down in the description if you guys have ever tried this product before, Nilight. I'm really into them. They keep sending me stuff to try on and I love it. We're getting near the end of the video. I'll probably show you guys comparisons in the light because it got real dark on us.